Yeah, we have a leash in my
she's
pocket.
comfortable with me, so.
Thank you.
So what's your program about?
Hi, you're okay. It's okay. Hi.
She had a little collar. Her name was Genova.
Genova, hey.
Scan for a microchip, and then.
Yeah, go ahead.
Come here.
Hi.
How you doing?
Wait, Genova.
How are you?
Finding yourself?
Good, thank you. How did you guys know to call us?
Cause my mom, she had called one time.
It's
in the
okay,
East LA
look.
area for a big.
Can I touch your baby? Can I pick him up?
So where did you find her?
She walked into the house.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Okay. And she gave birth here?
Yeah. It was on.
We'll have him checked closer, just to make sure everything's okay. I want to put a leash on her, just to make sure
I don't think she'll bite you guys.
No.
Oh, she won't.
Just
Just
like,
right.
this is,
And I don't
You do?
Yeah, because
yeah, she's a dog person.
it's amazing what you guys do.
Thank
for
you.
dogs.
Thank you. Did you see our new video today for it's our birthday, the 11th year anniversary?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you have to see it.
Geese. That's your baby. That's your baby. There we go. I'm going there, Mama. Oh, and it's off of you.
All the dogs that I have back here, we have more dogs. I rescued them off in the street, but I would have kept their pedestrian dogs.
Thank you guys
Oh, thank you so much.
They're here.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
It's so unsafe for them to
Yeah.
just be out
What are you
there.
growling at? What are you growling at?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys will be able to send me pictures.
If it gets bumpy or if she,
We can take her out. I don't care.
I think it's safer for them.
To take her out?
Yeah. Like a little possum.
Oh my god, you are full of milk.
Let's take this nasty thing off of you.
Yeah.
Good girl. He's been on her forever.
Yeah. Good girl. Good mama.
Last time. That collar was so tight on her neck. Look. Oh, wow.
my goodness.
That looks like rain. It's okay.
I like being a chauffeur.
That's okay. Her boobs look like it's not her first litter, but there you go, Mama. Good girl. She wants to be You got a lot of babies.
Miss Godiva.
Miss Godiva. You're yummy, Mommy. You're all yicky. I'm sorry. We'll be thankful for this bath. They're hungry. They're hungry, mamas.
Nice boy.
Look at this. This is massive.
Cute. Yeah, she texted me saying that her grandma wants to adopt her. Yeah, Wait. I love you.
He looks like a Rottweiler.
Rottweiler.
He's a Tika Rottweiler.
Yeah, once I sit her down, though, they'll start yiking and running the things.
Look, and here's the mom. Yeah, everybody wants breakfast.
It's so fun.
Such a good girl. Join the party.